The green rebirth of each lithium-ion battery starts with discharging. Today, let's take a look at the lithium-ion battery discharge system developed by ACME. What you are seeing now is the ternary lithium battery discharge system developed by ACME. The processing capacity reaches about 1 ton per hour. First, let's measure the initial voltage of these retired batteries. 3.67 volts. Let's measure another one, 3.64 volts. Now we put the batteries into the feeding system.
After 30 to 60 minutes of puncture short-circuit discharge treatment, the used lithium-ion batteries with a voltage of 3 to 4 volts can be discharged to a safe voltage of less than 1 volt.
Now let's measure the voltage of the batteries after treatment. 0.04 volts. After discharging, the batteries will not pose an explosion risk in the subsequent crushing process, further ensuring the safety of the battery recycling process. If you need more solutions for lithium-ion battery recycling, please contact us.